Howdy there, guys. It's Old Man Productions, and it's very dark out. We have ourselves a CSX M372 popping out around the corner any moment. Got ourselves a Big Bird and
oh my God.
And that Western, well, Big Bird is that Western Maryland guy.
Honk for me, baby. Honk for me, baby.
Oh, so second gen. $64.13 and 2054.
Yeah, that 2054 was on 341.
Garfield.
Hopefully that's
1951, I believe that's oxygen, and then we have 1075, our liquefied petroleum gas tankers. Railroad crossing repeated. $19.93, that's diesel fuel. Well, that one sits sweaty on it. Sunny. Hot asphalt. Diesel fuel. Diesel again. MW, maintenance away diesel fuel tankers. Rich and poor. More diesel fuel for company use only. Interesting car. These appear to be empties. Springs ain't even compressed. Well, that one had something in it. 1075 LPG is that one. Empty. Bunch of these 1268, I think that's a paint thinner. liquefied petroleum, otherwise known as propane and propane accessories.
EAPS.
1268, that's paint thinner again. More paint thinner. That's old. BC rail, yeah. A couple of these old guys. Seaboard, yeah. Empty, empty. MWCX. And there's Fred on the end. Hope you have a wonderful night, everyone.
This is the
Thank
old
you,
man
Mr.
guy,
Blinding
signing off.
Lights over there.
And everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be. Leave the tracks nicer than you found them. Adios.
Remember, paint cars are rolling.